My name is Ryan Very. I'm an attorney that runs a small firm in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. My grandfather was an attorney, my uncle was an attorney, and I am following in the family footsteps. Being a lawyer fulfills me both personally and professionally because I get to help people, which is the bedrock of my practice, being able to help people. People come to me as an attorney when they have exhausted every other option. The negotiations have failed. The cops aren't helping them. So they come to me to try to assist them. And it's very fulfilling to be able to help people in that way and to be relied on. It's also a lot of responsibility, but I keep it in perspective, and I know that at the end of the day, what I want is to help, and if I keep that as my focus, I know that I can rest easy. The advice or tips that I would offer to young attorneys is to stay focused and just get it done. Sometimes something's bothering you or you're procrastinating, just hit it head on and finish it. And it doesn't have to be 100% perfect. You just have to be prepared. And at the end of the day, you will get through. A lot of times, there's a lot of responsibility associated with the practice of law. So if you just keep yourself focused and just hit that task head on that has been bothering you, you will succeed and fly through. I've definitely had a lot of mentors and colleagues who have helped me. Oftentimes, if I'm struggling with a legal question or with a case, I will call a friend or a mentor and just bounce some ideas off them about the case. And rather than, say, spending hours in the law library researching particular issues, if this other attorney has handled a case like that, they can help me through and save myself and my client a lot of time. My thoughts about happiness and practicing law are that if your focus is helping people, then you will be happy in your practice. Another thing I try to do is stay on top of my email. That does result in a lot of late nights, especially as a business owner, which is what I primarily do. Sometimes you got to put in that extra time, but staying on top of things, not letting it pile up, will keep your head clear and will keep you moving forward. The other piece of advice I have about happiness is keep yourself at a comfortable distance from the case. You're not going to win every case, but if you do your best and focus on helping others, then you will be happy and you will rest easy because you'll know you're prepared, you're organized, you've done everything you can, and it's in someone else's hands now. In a sense, it's a lot easier to be a lawyer than it is to be a judge because you don't have to make the final decision. You just have to put forward your client's best possible case. So in the end, it ultimately, the responsibility in a way doesn't rest with you. It rests with someone else. So that can be a relief to think of your cases that way. And yeah, thank you very much for having me on to do this video. My website is verylaw.com. That's V as in Victor, ERYLAW.com. And I appreciate your time. Thank you very much.